Hello adaptive friends, it's Jessica. This week's science experiment is called dancing corn. You'll need a few supplies. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, a glass jar. I went ahead and used a spaghetti sauce. You also want to make sure it's a clear jar so you can see it. You need popcorn kernels and a measuring cup. You're also going to want to do it outside or in the sink or on a plate because it could get messy. So first you're going to take the lid off of the jar. You're going to pour about a half cup of kernels into the measuring cup. And you're going to go ahead and pour that into the jar. There we go. Next, you're going to want to fill the jar with vinegar. You're going to want it about 2/3 full. That means like a little more than halfway full. There we go. Then you're going to want to measure about a 1/4 cup of baking soda into the measuring cup. Once this goes into the jar, the magic's going to happen. So we're going to go ahead and pour it kind of slowly. Oh, there's the mess. So the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar, there's a gas. The gas forms and attaches to the popcorn kernels, and the popcorn kernels begin to float to the top. When the gas releases into the air, the popcorn kernels then sink back down. So we got it to work a little bit. I can see some of the popcorn kernels coming out of the jar, and then you can kind of see them dancing in there. I suggest you either use a bigger jar or less popcorn kernel. That's just from what I can see. But as you can see, none of the popcorn kernels are down at the bottom. They're all floating. Let's see if we can add. So that's the dancing popcorn kernels. I hope you try it at home. Thank you for joining us this week. Bye-bye.